Nancy Green.
Thank you. Thank you for the chance to speak tonight. My husband, John, my husband of 30 years, was not able to make it, but we're agreed on this, that we are both very strong supporters of marriage equality. We appreciate every day the blessing of being married to each other, and we hold marriage to be a very fundamental right, very important right of full citizenship and full personhood. I want to speak to what I saw walking into the State House tonight, because we can't deny it. There was a couple of thousand people here. It reminded me of May 2nd, 2006, when 20,000 people marched from Central High School to the State House for the rights, the dignity, the equality of immigrants. And I was so proud to be there. I was so proud to hold my American flag and to be holding up the best in America, the respect for the person. And I so much want to see us bring this to Rhode Island for same-sex couples whose marriages do not diminish my marriage or anyone else's, and to uphold the rights of all of us. Somebody just referenced Mildred and Richard Loving. That's dear to me because I'm in an interracial marriage. And if the Supreme Court had not made that decision to grant marriage equality for interracial couples across the country regardless of state, imagine the horrible, bitter, and vicious battles we'd be fighting day to day and state to state. If you read history and see some of the language that was used, the civility and peace that we enjoy was hard won by the Lovings who survived prison and persecution, and many people who did not survive those days. So I just ask that we take a brave stand and just write the law for marriage equality and enjoy peace and deal with all the other important things we need to deal with.
Thank you, Mrs. Green. Good finish.